Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a new unboxing, finally the real August Boxycharm. Last week I received the box and I thought it was the August one, but I was wrong. It was the July one. I apologize, it was my mistake. That's my daughter, so hi. Today I'm outside, even though it's so hot, that's why I'm like sweating a little bit, but I wanted to shoot this video before I'm leaving from Italy, which is happening tonight. So if you wanna have some vlog about Italy and my daughter, please follow my channel. I do a lot of other things. In the meantime, I'm opening this box. Okay, so this month theme is totally, I guess. And here are the 5 products that I received. First one that I see here is this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil that probably at the moment I need because I'm sweating so much, and the retail price is $42. So it's 25 ml, which is 0.84 ounces, so it's a pretty good amount. And it says bright out skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil, so maybe I'll use it. Next we have this pencil, which is Yves Laurent, and the retail price is $15. Okay, it took me a while, but I finally opened it, and it's a lip pencil, and the shade is Chic. Very nice, this brownish red color. Next product that I see here, I really love it. It's the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, and the retail price is $23. I mean, this only product for me is the box, so I really love it. I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna bring it with me to Italy, so I'm definitely gonna try it out. Next we have this Becca Cosmetics, which it's a brand that I always wanted to try, and it's a Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder, and the retail price is $39. The packaging is very nice. I probably need some now because with the sun gets so hot. I don't want to open it because I'm afraid with the wind it's gonna blow out. But it says that this weightless powder sets and refresh makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish. So I'm definitely gonna use this. Last but not least is this Ace Beauté Glimmer Shadow Duo. Retail price for $25. And there are high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. The colors are a little too glittery for me, but it's always good in case you go out to have something more sparkly. And it's a gold color and something more on a pink reddish shade. And that was it for my box of August. I always love Boxycharm. They always send very nice things. I love the mascara this month. And as always, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that too, because I post a lot of different videos from baking to lifestyle to mom life. So I would love for you to follow me. Thank you again. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again in Italy. Bye!